Welcome to this presentation on the law of sines. The law of sines is about side lengths and angle measures of a triangle. We'll call our triangle ABC after its vertices and label the interior angles alpha, beta, and gamma. We can draw an altitude through vertex A, forming two right triangles, ABE and ACE. We can come up with an expression for the length of segment AE. Considering triangle ACE, we note that AC sine of gamma is equal to the length of that altitude AE. If we consider triangle ABE, we can refer to the length of AE as AB sine of beta. Equating these two expressions for the length of that altitude, and then dividing by sine of gamma and sine of beta, we have an equation that equates ratios of sides to opposite angles. Similarly, we can draw an altitude through side B. We'll call its other endpoint D. And note that we can refer to segment BD in the context of triangles ADB and triangle BDC. Considering triangle ABD, we can write the length of that altitude as AB sine alpha. Considering triangle BDC, we can refer to that altitude length as BC sine gamma. Equating these two expressions for the length of that altitude and dividing by sine of alpha times sine of gamma, we get another equation between the ratios of sides and their opposite angles. Notice that this equation, as well as the other equation we found equating ratios of side lengths to opposite angles, include the ratio AB of sine of gamma. So we can form a compound equation equating each side divided by its opposite angle to each of the other sides divided by their opposite angles. This is called the law of sines.